Hi, my name is Mike Barley, and I am the instructor for the Industrial Electrical Program. Basically, what this program is individuals who are looking to be electricians, work in the industrial sector as in a manufacturing type scenario, or they can be working in electrical construction, wiring large structures, homes, whatever the case may be. This program is very much, as you can see, a hands-on program. You're going to spend a lot of time doing. We spend a lot of time working in our labs and making sure that students have the ability to do what they are supposed to be doing when they get out into the field. As far as certifications, there are several. We have several certifications that are with NCCR, the National Center for Construction Education and Research, OSHA 10, and these are nationally recognized certifications. And we also spend a great deal of time working in the field. In other words, we have what's called a work-based learning program, and our program is involved with many of our industry supporters, and students work in job shadowing, what we call micro internships, and in the second semester of their senior year, they'll spend a large majority of that time in the field working a internship, and those are paid internships. Typically, students graduating from the program oftentimes have jobs already lined up, and there are other opportunities beyond our program as far as completing their entire electrical apprenticeship here right on Prosser's campus.